In this video, I will show you how you can fix your iPad if you are unable to download apps. Now to do that, first of all, just open the control center in your iPad, then go to the connection section. And from here, just make sure that your iPad is connected to the internet. After that, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just tap on the airplane mode icon again and turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh on your iPad. And after you do that, then just go to settings. And under settings, just tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on iPad storage. And from here, just check the storage of your iPad. If the storage of your iPad is full, just delete any data which you no longer need on your iPad to free up some storage, or you can upload all your photos and videos to the cloud and you can delete them from your iPad. After that, just go back to the main settings page, and over here just tap on screen time. Now just tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now if this toggle is disabled, you can skip this step, but if this feature is enabled, then just disable this toggle and turn off content and privacy restrictions. Now sometimes when this feature is enabled on your iPad, you might accidentally enable a feature because of which you will be unable to install apps on your iPad. So make sure you disable this feature. After that, just go back to the main settings page. Now over here, just make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. And also just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Then tap on the profile icon over here. And make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now just keep pressing and holding the power button on your iPad. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Once your iPad finishes the restarting process, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings. Now under settings, just tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on software update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Then finally, just go back and under the general settings, just tap on transfer or reset iPad. Then just tap on reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select reset. Now this will not delete any data of your iPad. It will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.